everyone. This is Nijhar Shah. Today I am going to represent the predictive analysis of customer rating for anime production studio in R programming. Here is the contents of the video presentation. Case study, objective, data analysis, model outcome, conclusion, and finally the business insight. Before starting the data analysis part, let us have a quick look on the problem statement and the dataset. The dataset we have is the customer rating details of varieties of anime shows of different anime production house. Anime is hand-drawn and computer animation which is originated from Japan. This industry is rapidly growing towards a booming sector across the world and becoming more popular among the viewers. The dataset comprises the scrapped information about anime releases from Anime Planet from the year of 2005 to June 2020. So the main objective is to perform a linear regression to predict customer rating for different types of anime shows so that production house can improve the ratings in future considering new strategies and ideas, which in turn will gain more profit for them. Out of 16 variable and 7029 observations, I have to choose the best variable suitably to predict the customer rating. So basically our target or dependent variable is the rating based on anime description, contents, duration, tags, etc. And this is the distribution of our target variable. Considering correlation and ANOVA test, here is a list of predictors which might have strong relation with our target variable. This is the number of people who have completed watching the anime series and the best judge to provide accurate rating as they have seen all the episodes successfully and hence can understand the actual inner meaning of the show. At the left hand side, we can see that considering our dataset, this is how the worst column is distributed. For most of the anime show, the maximum number of viewers are from 0 to 5000. From the scatter plot, we can see that the nature of the curve shows a positive correlation between the watch and target variable. But as there is a positive skewness, I will take log transformation of this variable. This is the number of users who want to watch the anime show in future and their planning is basically based on the previous market response and popularity of some certain types of shows. Considering this factor, production studios should do some hard work to prepare and launch these type of shows in near future to grab many users at a time and thereby satisfy their will. This is the variable is distributed. We can see the maximum users planning to watch coming anime shows are between 0 to 2000 and the nature of the scatter plot shows a positive correlation with the target variable which is more than 0.5. It denotes the number of votes which has a contribution to the ratings received by different anime which is basically aggregated feelings of diversified groups of people as because votes includes likes or dislikes of the viewers based on their satisfaction level, so it has a vital role in my prediction. The histogram shows the maximum number of votes are coming from 5000 users almost and the scatter plot denotes a positive correlation with the target variable. But as there is a positive skewness and the scatter plot is not so much concentrated, the log transformation should be considered to get the better distribution. It is the format of publication of the anime releases. Every producer and director should choose the type of media more wisely and suitably so that it can draw attention many number of viewers at a time which can lead to market dynamics of the anime shows in a positive manner. Maximum number of anime have been launched in TV format and then music video wave by production studio. As all the box plots are misaligned, there might be a strong relation with the target variable rating. It denotes whether the episodes of anime series have been completed to telecast or it is still ongoing. We can see most of the shows are not ongoing and from those shows we can extract the rating of the recently completed all the anime. As box plots are misaligned, so there can be strong relation with our target variable. After taking log transformation, these are the better and systematic good distribution of the variables with correlation value greater than 0.7. From my linear regression model, I am getting the most significant variable like movie, TV special, music video, web, OVA and other media type as well as want to watch and log of watched variable. My model has median AP 18.59, mean AP 11.76, mean accuracy 81% and median accuracy 88%. I have finally drawn few business insights. Any production studio should make their shows more presentable with new strategies and ideas to the viewers to satisfy their demand, which in turn can increase the ratings from the users who have watched the shows. Because 1 unit increase in watch variable can increase the rating by 0.0026 on an average. The production house should take care the list of the people who are planning to watch the anime because the want watch variable can affect the rating in a positive manner which can increase the future rating. The production studio should focus more on releasing the anime over the media type movie compared to DVD special because this media can increase the rating by 0.44 than the DVD special. The company needs to telecast their shows in TV special format as well, which is basically the number of special episodes because this format can provide the higher rating on these seasonal based shows by 0.15 unit more than if the anime will be telecasted through DVD special. The production company should produce and broadcast their show through original video animation mode also, because this media can lead customer rating up to 0.2 unit increase compared to basic DVD special type format. Hence, the OVA can be considered as the boost or extra bonus for the producer. But production house should not launch their anime in music video format, that is, they should not mix up the different clips from different anime shows to satisfy the fan request, because it can decrease the rating by 0.06 compared to the DVD special. On the other hand, if the media type is wave, it can also negatively affect the rating and decrease the rating by 0.16. Similarly, the production house should not focus on any other type format to launch and telecast the anime, otherwise it will decrease the rating by 0.16 unit. And lastly, the company should consider the ongoing shows as well, because the customers are already giving their rating for the ongoing shows in high range, and this factor can improve the rating by 0.62 for only 1 unit increase in ongoing parameter. Hence, anime studio should develop their new strategies and come up with new ideas to develop more attracting storyline with new anime characters. Thanks to all of you. For more exciting project, please follow me in LinkedIn. This is Nidhar Shah signing out, and again, thank you.